Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we will show you how to make money by promoting Clickbank products on Pinterest, a platform with massive potential for affiliate marketing. Whether you're new to affiliate marketing or looking to explore Pinterest as a marketing channel, this video is for you. But before we dive into all of it, make sure to hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Right, so if you don't have accounts on both platforms, this is the perfect time to create one. Sign up, it's free anyway, both on Pinterest and Clickbank. And once you've done that, log in your credentials. And I suggest we go here at clickbank.com/blog/Pinterest affiliate marketing right here. It's a very informative blog about Pinterest affiliate marketing, the ultimate 5-step guide from Clickbank. All right. So first, there's a short description on how does Pinterest work. So Pinterest was created in January 2010 and has gone, to see more than 400 million monthly active users. All right. So step one is basically set up your Pinterest profile. All right. To make money with affiliate marketing in Pinterest, your first step is to set up a Pinterest account. And if you're new to the world of Pinterest, the first question you'll probably ask is, should I get a personal or business Pinterest account to affiliate marketing? The answer is simple. If you're planning to use the account for a commercial activity, promoting a blog, or pointing traffic to an affiliate offer, then you should definitely get a business account, right? And then you're gonna start building your profile right here. Profile name, if you have a website, the country, region, and language you prefer using. All right. And once you've signed up, Pinterest will ask you to build your profile. So fill on those details. All right. And you will be asked, where would you like to start? All right. So Pinterest prompts you to pick your primary focus, measuring your ad performance. So creating an ad or showcasing your brand. So it would start with the third option, showcase your brand, all right? And then it will bring you to an account settings page where you can finish your profile, fill that out, upload your branded images and logo, and you're ready to start using Pinterest business account to generate organic traffic. Step 2 is get familiar with your Pinterest account, right? And once you've created your account, the best way to know is to create some pins, right? So first this is the dashboard. This is how you create your pin. There's a business hub, the home feed, and you can also go to the analytics tab in the navigation menu. This breaks down your metrics by impressions, engagements, pin clicks, and outbound clicks, saves, and a lot more, right? And then step 3 is gonna create a pin. A Pinterest pin is a short piece of content that's discoverable in Pinterest search and visible to your profiles following in their feeds. A pin is usually image-based, through video is an option as well, and it's designed to drive traffic to a blog post, landing page, product sales page, or even a YouTube video. All right. Remember, as a general rule, you'll find the most success with more visual niches such as fashion, art, photography, graphic design, home decor, travel, cooking. All right. And then with that being said, you can uncover a visual component within almost every niche. All right. And then that's your pin. All right. You can either start with an existing template and customize it for your business, or create a blank Pinterest pin that you can build from scratch. So here's an example, guys. All right. And then always include alternative tags, add relevant hashtags, create a board, add a destination link, grow your reach right here. All right. Just keep on publishing new pins. Just one pin isn't enough to get traction. So many marketers aim to hit a cadence of at least 10 pins per day. All right. Which I know sounds like a lot, but this total can include repins from other pinners that you can curate on your board. Step 6 is gonna promote your best pins right here. This one. Now, you should promote the Clickbank products on Pinterest, right? That's gonna you wanted to integrate these two platforms and take advantage of what they can offer. Now, so with that being said, I suggest you go here at this blog. Very helpful for you to start with your Pinterest affiliate marketing. And thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you all in the next one.